Hello students and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start with geometric progression part 2. In part 1 video we have already studied nth term of the geometric progression. In this video we are going to study about sum of nth term of GP. See, sum of nth term of GP is Sn is equals to A into r की power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, but here the condition is mod of r should be greater than 1. And we have one more formula. This is if mod of r is greater than 1, but if mod of r is smaller than 1, then the formula becomes A into 1 minus r की power n upon 1 minus r. Now we will see one question related to this concept only, that is, question is we have to find 8th term of series. We are provided with series is 3 plus 6 plus and so on. Sorry, 8th term, find the sum of, we have to find sum of 8th term of the series. Now see, the given series we can easily see A is 3 and if R will calculate it is 2 and we have to identify S 8, that is sum of 8th term. So sum of 8th term, since here R, that is mod of r, we can say it is greater than 1. So we will apply this formula. S8 will become 3 into 2 की power 8 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Thus 2 की power 8 is 256 minus 1 upon 1. So it will be 3 into 255. So the answer will be 765. This is how when they ask in the question about sum of 8 term of the series or sum of any of the term of the series, we have to apply this formula. Only one condition we have to keep in mind, that is if mod of r is greater than 1, we have to apply this formula, but if mod of r is smaller than 1, then we have to apply this formula. Now moving on to the next question. So now the question is, how many terms of GP? 2 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2 must be added to get sum equal to 55 by 72. How many terms? That means they are asking n. A is 2 by 9. R, common ratio, second term upon first term, or we can write third term upon second term. So it will come to be minus 3 by 2 and sum is given, that is Sn, that is 55 by 72. We can see over here, since mod of r is 3 by 2 and it is greater than 1. So formula which will apply over here will be A into r की power n minus 1 by r minus 1 and Sn is what? 55 by 72. A is 2 by 9, R is 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, will write it over here, minus 3 by 2 की power n minus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Now when we will solve it, so 55 by 72, 9 will go there and 2 will be over here. Similarly, when we will solve this, so we will get minus 3 by 2 की power n minus 1 upon, here we will get minus 3 minus 2, we will take LCM, minus 5 by 2. So that 5 by 2 will go over here, thus we will get like this. Now we will multiply it. So 9 ones are 9 8s are 72. Rest all we cannot multiply, or we only multiply it. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 275 by 32 and this is in minus. Now what we'll do, this is minus 3 by 2 की power n minus 1. This minus 1 will come to this side. So 1 minus 275 by 32 equals minus 3 by 2 की power n. So जब हम इसको solve करेंगे 32 minus 275 will get minus 243 by 32 and this is equals to minus 3 by 2 की power n. So इसको हम लिख सकते हैं minus 3 by 2 की power 5 minus 3 by 2 की power n. Hence n will be what? 5. So 5 terms of the GP must be added to get sum equal to what? 55 by 72. So this is how, if they have already given us sum, we'll directly put the values over here and then we'll solve it. Now we'll see the next question. So the question is, GP has first term 3, last term 96, sum of nth term is 189, find number of terms. So we are provided with first term is 3, last term that is an or we can say L, it is 96. Sum of nth term is 189 and we have to calculate n, that is number of terms. Now see, we have one more formula when sum, first term and last term is mentioned to us. So we can apply formula that is L into R minus A upon R minus 1. This is the formula which is used when first and last term are given in the question along with sum of nth term. So now we'll apply this formula, that is 189 equal L is 96, R we don't know, so we'll write R only and A is 3 upon R minus 1. We'll cross multiply it. On cross multiplication, 189 minus 189R minus 189 equal 96R minus 3. We'll shift to this side. So 189R minus 96R equals minus 3 plus 189. So when we'll solve with 9 minus 6, 3, 18 minus 9, 93R is equals to, this will come to be 9 minus 3, 6, 186. So now R will be what? 2. We have got R. Now we know what is An. Formula of An is A into R की power n minus 1. So An is 96, A is 3, R is 2 की power n minus 1. So 3 इससे divide हो जाएगा 32 equal 2 की power n minus 1. So 32 को we can write 2 की power 5 and when bases are equal, so exponents will be equal. Thus the value of n will be 6. So we have seen, if we are provided with first and last term, this is the main formula which we have to use over here. Now moving on to the next question. So the question is, find the sum of GP 2 plus 6, 18, 54 whose sum is, we have to find sum. This is the last term given to us. Now before only we saw everything is mentioned over here. A is what? 2. If we look to D and if we look to R, that is common ratio. So common ratio is 3 and this one is the last term. We can write it An also. This is 4374. Now we have seen, if last term and first term are given in question and they ask the sum of the series, sum of GP, then we have to apply formula LR minus A upon R minus 1. So Sn we have to calculate. This will be 4374 into 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus 1. So here when we'll solve it, we'll get 6560. So this is the method in which we can directly apply formula when first and last term are given. There is one more method which we can apply over here. Like see, we are provided with last term and first term. With the help of this, we can calculate n. an is equals to a into r की power n minus 1. This is 4374. A will be 2. R is 3 की power n minus 1. 4374 will divided by 2 will get 2187. This is equals to 3 की power n minus 1 and 2187 is equals to 3 की power 7. Thus 7 is equals to n minus 1 and n will be what? A. Then we have to calculate sum क्योंकि हमको n मालूम पड़ गया. We can apply formula that is Sn is equals to what? A. क्योंकि r बड़ा है तो we'll apply r is greater than 1. A into r की power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A is 2, r is 3, 3 की power 8 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2. So again when we'll multiply this, when we'll solve it, we'll get 6560. Since answer will be same in both the cases but only the methods are different, here we can directly use the formula which I have mentioned before, that if last and first term of GP is given, we can apply this formula. Hope you guys are finding videos to be helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.